If you're using Cursor AI and want to enable Sonnet 4, this quick guide will show you exactly where to find it and turn it on in just a few seconds. This is super useful if you want a stronger model for coding, editing, or getting more accurate AI responses inside Cursor. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more AI tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open Cursor on your computer. Once Cursor is open, look for the gear icon, which is the Settings button. Click that gear icon to open Cursor Settings. This is where you can control your model preferences, editor options, and other important features inside the app. After the Settings menu opens, find the Models section. Cursor organizes its AI model controls here, so this is the place you need to be. Click on Models, and you should see a list of available model options. Depending on your version of Cursor and your account, the layout may look slightly different, but the process is still the same. Now look for Sonnet 4 in the model list. When you find it, simply turn the toggle on. This activates Sonnet 4 for use inside Cursor AI. Once the toggle is enabled, Cursor will be able to use that model whenever you select it for your coding or chat tasks. If you do not see Sonnet 4 right away, take a moment to scroll through the available model options and make sure you're in the correct Models tab. In some cases, account permissions, app updates, or workspace settings can affect what you see. So if it's not visible immediately, double check that Cursor is fully updated and that you're signed into the correct account. After enabling the toggle, you're all set. You can now go back to your project and start using Sonnet 4 inside Cursor AI. This can be especially helpful if you're comparing model performance or want to take advantage of a newer model for more advanced tasks. And that's it. You've now enabled Sonnet 4 in Cursor AI by going into Settings, opening Models, and switching the toggle on. It really is that simple. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more quick AI and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.